Ever feel like the best travel destinations are kept secret, hidden away from the masses? Today, I'm about to let you in on the best travel secret that nobody tells you about. This one place will blow your mind, and it's not where you'd expect. Grab your passport because we're uncovering one of the most stunning, under-the-radar gems that you won't believe even exists. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Georgia, a hidden paradise. Georgia is one of those places you don't hear much about in travel guides, but once you've been, you'll wonder why it isn't more famous. First off, the scenery here is nothing short of spectacular. Imagine towering snow-capped mountains, rolling vineyards, ancient monasteries perched on cliff edges, and charming cobblestone streets. Whether you're a nature lover or a history buff, Georgia has something for everyone. The country's capital, Tbilisi, is a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern-day vibes. Walking through the streets, you'll find a mix of medieval architecture, traditional Georgian homes, and trendy cafes. But the real secret, the people of Georgia are some of the most welcoming you'll ever meet. Their warmth and hospitality will make you feel like a local from the moment you arrive. The food, a secret no one shares. Now let's get to one of the best kept secrets about Georgia. It's food. Georgian cuisine is an absolute treasure trove that most travelers have yet to discover. Picture this: khachapuri, a boat-shaped bread filled with melted cheese and a perfectly runny egg in the center. Or khinkali, Georgia's signature dumplings filled with spiced meat and broth so delicious that one bite will have you hooked. But here's the real kicker. Unlike most tourist hotspots where you have to search high and low for an authentic meal, in Georgia, every meal feels like a 5-star experience. Whether you're in a family-run restaurant or dining in a local's home, the food is always fresh, flavorful, and straight from the heart. The Caucasus Mountains. A hiker's dream. If you're an adventure seeker or a nature enthusiast, Georgia's Caucasus Mountains will blow your mind. These mountains are often compared to the Swiss Alps, but here's the secret. Unlike Switzerland, Georgia's trails are virtually untouched. You won't find large crowds or over-commercialized tourist spots. Instead, you get vast, open landscapes, towering peaks, and serene hiking trails where the only sounds are the wind and the occasional distant bells of a shepherd's flock. The village of Mestia in the Svaneti region is the perfect base for hikers. The towering Mount Ushba is often called the Matterhorn of the Caucasus because of its rugged beauty, and hiking through this area feels like a discovery in itself. Oh, and the best part? After a long day of trekking, you'll return to a cozy guest house with a warm meal waiting for you. There's nothing like it. Wine country, a 7,000-year-old secret. You may not know this, but Georgia is actually the birthplace of wine. That's right, this small country has been making wine for over 7,000 years, and their traditional winemaking methods are still used to this day. Imagine visiting the lush vineyards of the Kakheti region, where grapevines stretch as far as the eye can see, and you can sip wine made the same way it was thousands of years ago. Wine in Georgia is aged in large clay vessels called kveivri, and the result is a unique, unfiltered wine that has a depth and complexity you won't find anywhere else. The locals will tell you that wine is more than just a drink here. It's a part of their culture, their history, and their identity. And the best part, wine tasting tours in Georgia are incredibly affordable compared to other wine regions, making it the perfect destination for any wine lover looking for a new experience. Georgia's hidden beaches. When people think of beach destinations, they usually think of places like Thailand or the Mediterranean, but Georgia has a secret coastal paradise that even most seasoned travelers don't know about: Batumi. Located on the shores of the Black Sea, Batumi is Georgia's seaside gem. It's a vibrant city with a unique mix of modern architecture and traditional charm. But the beaches here, incredible. The waters are clear, the pebbled shores are peaceful, and the backdrop of the mountains gives the entire scene an almost otherworldly beauty. Whether you're looking to relax by the sea or explore the city's botanical gardens, Batumi is the perfect escape for travelers seeking a hidden gem off the beaten path. Ancient history that rivals Rome. Georgia's history is nothing short of fascinating. This country is home to some of the world's oldest churches and monasteries, many of which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One of the most breathtaking is the Gergeti Trinity Church, located high in the mountains overlooking the village of Stepantsminda. This 14th century church is an iconic symbol of Georgia, and getting there feels like a pilgrimage in itself. The country's ancient capital, Mtskiyeta, is another must-see for history buffs. This city has been a cultural and religious center for centuries, centuries, and walking through its streets feels like stepping back in time. The Javari Monastery, perched on a hill overlooking Mitskita, offers some of the most stunning views you'll ever see. It's one of those places where you can feel the weight of history all around you. Georgia, a traveler's best kept secret. So there you have it, Georgia, a country that feels like a well-kept secret. From its jaw-dropping mountain landscapes and hidden beaches to its ancient history and world-class wine, Georgia has it all. Yet somehow, it remains off the radar for many travelers. This is the kind of destination where you can truly escape, discover something new, and immerse yourself in a culture that's as rich as it is welcoming. And the best part, you'll leave feeling like you've uncovered one of the world's best travel secrets. If you're as excited about Georgia as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible travel secrets. Have you ever heard of Georgia before? Let me know in the comments if this is a place you'd like to visit or if you've already been. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts, because trust me, they won't want to miss out on discovering Georgia's hidden treasures.